so many tutorials in YouTube, but they are just too damn complicated. Dami-daming steps, dami-daming sinasabi. In that case, here is the simple steps to create a Facebook page. And at the end of this video, you can easily create your own Facebook page. Just follow the step-by-step process that I have prepared for you. Now, step 1. Here we are on our Facebook account. Now, it doesn't matter kung gumagamit ka ng computer or cellphone, mapa-Android man yan, or iPhone, same pa rin ang steps. Just click on the flag button, and after that, simply click the create button na nakikita mo. Step 2. Now we need to choose anong category nga ba ang best na nagdi-describe sa atin, kung ang page ba na to ay for celebrity, banda, or businesses, especially small businesses. Just click on what best describes yung page na gagawin mo. And for step number 3, after choosing anong category mo, kailangan mo na i-fill out yung remaining parts para matapos ang Facebook page mo. The title, the description, contact info, address, at iba pa. Importanteng ma-fill out nyo lahat ng necessary information para mas madali kayong makontak at mas maraming malamang information yung customer or page visitors nyo regarding sa inyo. At pinaka-importante ay don't forget to like this video para mas marami akong magawa ng tutorials para sa inyo. And if may problems kayo sa inyong paggawa ng Facebook page, guess what? You can personally message me or DM me in my Facebook account. I will leave it in the description below. And if may questions kayo, just comment down below. Sasagutin ko yan. And step number 4, make sure you have your one-liner at ilagay ito sa description. Alam nyo ba lahat ng sikat na businesses at celebrities at even news media company ay meron nito? At ano nga ba ang one-liner na tinutukoy ko? It is a 1 to 2 sentences that best describes the Facebook page or business na gagawin mo. For example, the Watson's Facebook page. Ang one-liner nila dito is look good, do good, feel great. Or yung Watson's Philippines delivers only the best health, wellness, and beauty solutions to customers. And hindi ako sponsored dito, pero baka naman. For example, celebrity naman. Ang sikat na si Idol Erwin. Ngayon, ano ba ang kanyang one-liner? Ang one-liner niya is famous hard-hitting radio commentator in the Philippines. And lastly, ang last example natin ay ang GMA News Facebook page. Ang kanilang one-liner is the Philippines' leading news authority, providing you with up-to-date news and information in the spirit of serbisyong totoo. Pero bakit nga ba kailangan at napaka-importante ng one-liner na sinasabi ko na to? Kasi kadalasan ng bumibisita sa page mo ay nagtatagal lamang ng average of 6 seconds or lower at na-judge na nila kaagad ang page mo, especially for businesses, napaka-importante nito. At ang unang-unang mababasa nila ay yung about mo. Kaya kailangan meron kang one-liner na about na nagde-describe ko anong businesses mo. And ang one-liner are header that answers what do you offer and how will it make your customers' life better or page visitors' life better. For example, is yung Watson's. Yung kanilang Watson Philippines delivers only the best wellness and beauty solutions to each and every customer. Diba? One sentence lang siya. Diba mabilis lang siyang basahin? So, mabilis ma-intake ng customer kung ano nga ba or para saan ba yung page mo. It answers, what do you offer? Ang ino-offer ng Watson's ay the best health, wellness, and beauty solutions. And how will it make the customer's life better? Alam mo, kung ako yung customer, mababasa ko doon, I can get the best product that solves my needs when it comes to health, wellness, and beauty solutions. So, there you have it. Kaya pag-isipan nyo maigi kung ano ilalagay nyo sa description nyo at make it a one-liner. Pag-isipan nyo maigi kung anong one-liner nyo and make sure it answers the 2 questions na nasabi ko kanina. And step 5, finally, it is important to add a profile photo, a logo, and a cover photo. Di ba nga, pag nakakita ka ng page na walang logo at cover photo, ay di mo ito pagkakatiwalaan. Sino ba yan? Di mo alam kung sino sila, ano yung brand nila. Kaya pag wala yan sa page mo, ay tiyak ikaw ay magiging brand X or di ka makikilala agad-agad. So, paano nga ba gumawa ng logo? Easy lang yan. Meron akong step-by-step tutorial just for you. Napakadali sundan. Just click on this link. And remember to like this video, and you can personally message me or DM me in my Facebook account, nakalagay sa description below. And you can comment down below if you have any problems or if you want me to help you or check or take a quick look at your Facebook page. That's all. Thank you.